to whom the entire nature belongs, longest living species on Earth. To humans and animals, they are noteworthy friends. For the Earth, they are the roots beholding its survival key. But still, they are one of the most dilapidated living beings on planet Earth. Yes, we are talking about trees. We all are aware of the importance of trees, but most of us do not know what changes a single tree can bring to our lives. Here are some of its supernatural powers, starting from 1. The very air we breathe. A mature leafy tree produces as much oxygen in a season as 10 people inhale in a year. One large tree can provide a day's supply of oxygen for up to 4 people. At least one mature tree or 4 to 5 tiny trees are needed to create one person with sufficient oxygen. The tree is bigger and older, the more oxygen we're going to acquire. Role in climate change. Plants are natural carbon capturing machine which works with little investment. During 1 year, a mature tree will absorb more than 48 pounds of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen in exchange that is enough to support 2 human beings. Cool urban areas. The trees are a physical filter, which traps dust and absorbs air pollution. Up to 1.7 kilograms are removed each year for each solitary tree. Neighborhoods with well-shaded streets can be up to 10° cooler than neighborhoods without street trees, reducing the heat island effect and reducing energy needs. Studies have shown that trees can reduce peak summer temperatures in cities by 2 degrees to 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Besides making warmth waves in the summer less uncomfortable. Energy saver. Trees properly placed around buildings can reduce air conditioning needs by 30% and can save 20–50% in energy used for heating. Only 3 trees can save up to 30% of energy consumption appropriately put around a house. Water holder. We humans trying our best to waste as much water as we can, but on the other hand, trees are doing the very opposite. According to 2005 research, a single tree in Minneapolis intercepts an annual average of 1,685 gallons of rainwater. If not for the tree, all the water is falling to the ground, and much is ruining. It's collected, stored, and used instead by the tree. Another research says up to 100 gallons of water can be stored in a mature tree after a big rain. Brings biodiversity. A single tree can bring a variety of life around itself. One of the investigations showed that the addition of 1 tree to pasture might increase the species count from almost 0 to 80. For example, after this initial fast rise, trees are added but more progressively by adding new species. As the tree's stand approaches 100%, endangered and at-risk species like deer and deep-wooded birds start to come inside the area of interest. So take a deep breath and say thanks to the tree standing nearby you by planting and another tree, to whom the